Even though I'm alone, it's a party. Tonight's the night you're gonna open that bag of chicken you've got in your freezer. It's a ramen bowl with chicken. It's good for everybody because it has something for everybody. It's got broccoli, got a little bit of chicken or steak if you want to, and it's got ramen noodles, and it's ready super quick. All you need to do is get some water from your tap, get it hot as it'll get, fill up a bowl, dunk the noodles in. So just let the noodles soak while you get the rest of this ready. This chicken I just took right out of the freezer. That makes it really easy to slice. This is a hack that I used in another food hacks for cheesesteaks that I use with steak. You can use it for chicken too, super easy. Let's slice up some broccoli, however much you like. And you know what, you can use any vegetables for this. You can use peppers. I've got a bunch of like colorful peppers set up here. If you like snap peas, if you like regular peas, whatever you've got. And you know what, I'm using fresh broccoli, but you can use broccoli from the freezer. You can use spinach from the freezer, whatever you've got. We've got chicken, we've got vegetables, we've got noodles. Let's heat up the pan. So you got a bunch of choices for oils. If you just got olive oil around the house, use it, it's fine. I'm gonna use sesame oil because it's a nice shortcut to give a little bit more flavor. It's a great flavor. So we got the chicken in. Just make sure it's in a single layer. You don't want too much chicken in the pan because then it'll steam, it won't fry. You've heard it before, I'm not the first person to tell you. It'll brown up nicely. If you're using sesame oil, it's gonna smell amazing. You wanna leave the chicken alone, you want it to brown a little. Take your ramen noodles, because they're gonna be a little bit soft now, and then just get them apart a little bit with your hands. You can get the kids involved in this. The water won't be too hot at this point. When the pink is off the chicken and it's pretty brown, take it off and put it on a plate. And now we're gonna throw the broccoli in and we're gonna cook that for a little bit, just to get like a little bit tender. You don't have to cook it fully. The ramen water is gonna be a little cloudy and a little starchy. That's gonna help you start making a sauce for this. Now this is a really, really simple sauce. It's just soy sauce and a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it. If you've got a whisk, whisk it together. If you only have a fork, that's fine too. Just get the lumps out and then hold it aside. This is good because our broccoli is looking bright green, and now is when you want to put in the ramen noodles. Now squeeze them pretty dry. They don't have to be bone dry, obviously. They're coming right out of the water, but put them right in. Now we're just gonna cook it on pretty high heat because we want to get those noodles a little bit crispy. That's gonna give it a nice texture. So we have noodles, we've got broccoli. I'm gonna pour the chicken back in. Woo! It's a party. And the sauce. Now the sauce is looking a little thick to me, so I'm just gonna pour some of this ramen water in. Perfect. All right, there we go. I'm putting fried onions on top. You can put any kind of garnish you like. I put some chili flakes on, ooh, because I like those. I like it a little spicy. Whatever you like, this is your dinner, baby, and I am ready for it. Oh my gosh. Comfort food.